Managing clashes is a crucial component for the success of any project. To make clash checking easier, the clash management feature in the 2020 R2 version of ShipConstructor has been enhanced to include global clash checks for ShipConstructor part types that have been previously supported only by local clash checking. This includes structure, complex structure, pipe, HVAC, equipment, space allocations, standard assemblies, and penetration components. In addition, clash checking now includes pipe supports, hangers, and both global and local inclusion of space allocations. Another new feature is the ability to delete selected clashes from within the Clash Manager. Once your work is ready for production, you can simply filter to clashes from the completed units or modules in the Clash Manager and delete them from one location. You will no longer have to open individual drawings to delete clashes, saving huge amounts of time. And global clash checks can now be run using operations included with Publisher LT, making it possible to completely automate the process. Scheduling the operations to run during off-peak hours gives your users the best performance possible while designing, and at the same time provides comprehensive clash checking model-wide with the least amount of impact on performance. These time-saving features make clash detection and clash management easier than ever and help minimize rework across your project.